Everyone, this is Anamita and welcome you all to this new journey of discovering, finding out, and remembering, going in the flashback, and also bringing something from times, past times, and inculcating in new times. One of the essential items that has been forgotten or has been evolved or modified in recent times, that is food culture. So, as the name of the channel suggests, food culture and more. So, I would like to give a brief on this, a very small thing. I know this topic has been discussed lot of times and many videos and many people have talked and many people has given their view on that, I know, but here I am to give some information that how the process of this food culture has been going on in this era standing in 2021 and how it is being different from the times when we were growing up. So some of the basic things will be discussed and some of the problems in common that I have faced in my professional career or in this due course when I am practicing about food. So those questions which I can't really address sometimes or I can't really give the appropriate answers or I feel that there is a need to educate the people on that. So with this view, I start this journey of helping people, telling them the correct way out and clearing the notions about the food culture in them. So I would be posting some more informative videos in my channel in the upcoming time, but I hope you to support me to bring out the most of me and start this new endeavor where I can try people as much as I can through this social platform. And in this era where social media is dealing huge problems, magnanimous help has been poured out through social media. I feel this is the right tool in this pandemic situation where I can reach out to millions of people and bring out and discuss the problems to help them out. So would like you to support me like this and thank you so much for sparing your valuable time and seeing this video, hoping to be associated with many more my friends in this new journey, and thank you so much, hoping to start a new journey of the food culture and more with you very soon. Till then, be happy, be smiling, be healthy. Thank you.